Oh, hi everyone. I hope you are well. So today I want to teach you a new topic, and this time is about solving linear simultaneous equations. So it's for higher and for foundation, yeah. So it's good for both levels, yeah. So let's start. Let's start with an example number 1. Let's say, for instance, we have 7x plus 3y equal to 23, and then 3x minus 2y equal to 0. Okay, so to solve these simultaneous equations, you need to find the value of x and the value of y, but you can't find both of them at the same time. So you need to eliminate one of them to be able to solve the problem. So let's eliminate y, for instance, yeah? So to eliminate y, you need to make their coefficients the same. So at the moment, the coefficients of y are 3 and minus 2, or 3 and 2. So to eliminate y, you need to change both numbers into the same number. So to do this is the most important part of the solving. Is all you have to do, multiply the numbers by each other. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? So that's the best way to do it. But don't forget, you need to multiply the whole equation by 2 and the whole second equation by 3. Okay? So the first equation, we will call it equation 1. The second one is equation 2. Okay, so let's do the calculation now. So the first equation will be everything times 2. So it will be 14x plus 6y equal to 46. That's equation 1 dash, yeah. And then 9x minus 6y equal to 0. 3 times 0 is 0. Equation 2 dash, second one. And once you have the same coefficient of same number multiplied by y or by x, all you have to do, add or subtract to eliminate. And let me show you something that can help you. So remember, when you have the same signs like plus plus or minus minus, subtract. Like here you do minus, yeah? But if you have opposite signs, just add. So here, as you can see, we have opposite signs. So this one plus, this one minus. So these are called opposite sides. So we just have to do plus. So add equation 1 plus equation 2. Yeah, so you do plus, yeah, add. Okay, so let's see how much this will be. So 14x plus 9x is 23x. Plus 6y minus 6y, they cancel each other. 46 add 0 is 46. And now you are like one step away from finding the value of x. All you have to do, x equal 46 divided by 23, which is equal to 2, yeah? So we found the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. So find the value of y. To do this, you need to use equation 1 or equation 2. So you have to use equation 1 or equation 2 and substitute the value of x by its value. So substitute x by 2 in equation 1 or equation 2, then you will find easily the value of y. So let's choose one of the equation, and I will choose the first one because it doesn't have a minus, so there's no negative numbers. So equation 1 looks like easier. So equation 1 will be 7x plus 3y equal 23. All right, and then the value of x is 2. So 7 times 2, remember this is times, is a 14 plus 3y equal 23. And then you will have to do a 3y equal 23 minus 14. And then 3y equal to 23 take away 14 is 9. And then y is 9 divided by 3, which is 3. Yeah? Okay, so then you find the value of x equal to 2 and the value of y equal to 3. Very good. I'm going to squeeze another example here. Yeah, so to give you more chance to understand this topic. And then this time I will have like same signs, yeah? So let's do it here. Let's say, for instance, 5x plus 5x plus y equal to 7, and 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Okay? So let's do it quickly. As you know, as we said, we need to make the coefficients, the number that multiply x or y the same. So let's choose again eliminating y. So to eliminate y, we need to make the number 1 and 3 the same. And we said the easy way to achieve that is just multiply them by each other. So I will do 1 times 3 and then 3 times 1. Then you must not forget that you have to multiply the whole equation by 3 and then the whole second equation by 1. Okay, so this will give us 15x. I multiply the first equation by 3, so 15x plus 3y equal to 21. And then the second one will stay the same, 2x plus 3y equal 8, because multiplied by 1, it will give you the same answer. Now, look at the previous explanation. We said that if you have same signs, subtract. Look, same sign, subtract. Yeah? So I am going to subtract now in this example. Yeah. Okay. So 1 second. So put minus here. Same sign, subtract. Equation 2 top 1 take away the bottom 1. Yeah. So 2 take away 1. 15x take away 2x is 13x. 3y minus 3y equal to 0. 21 take away 8 is, that's 13 actually. So the value of x is 1. 13 over 13, that means x equal to 1. And to find y, we need to use equation 1 or 2. Let's use equation 1 again. It's simpler. So from equation 1 we have 5x plus y equal to 7, but x equal to 1, so 5 times 1 is 5 plus y equal to 7, and then we will have y equals 7 minus 5, or y equal to 2. Yeah? Okay, so we have 2 examples of solving linear equations, and I hope that help you to learn and achieve this topic. Is normally grade 5 and it's 4 marks in the GCSE exam papers. Okay, thank you, bye.